Hello dear student, now we are going to discuss about a derivative of a function defined parametrically. If x and y are interconnected variable and is expressed by mean of a third variable, then the third variable is called as a parameter and the system of equation is called the parametric equation, and the process of obtaining the derivative of a function defined parametrically is known as a parametric differentiation. That means if x and y both are the function is interconnected with the variable, that means both the functions are expressed by mean of a third variable. Here example is given, x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t. Here both x and y are expressed in terms of t. This third term t is called as a parameter, and this system of equation, that means x and y are the system of equation, this system of equation are called parametric equation, and differentiating these equations, that is dy by dx, is called as a parametric differentiation. How to differentiate these two terms? We have to differentiate x is a function of t, so dx by dt we have to find. Dx by dt is equal to f dash of t, and here dy y is again a function of t, so dy by dt is equal to g dash of t. We need to find dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to, divide both side by dt for numerator and denominator, so dy by dt divided by dx by dt, this is equal to g dash of t divided by f dash of t. Let us discuss some problem based on that parametric differentiation. First one is x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. See here, both x and y are the function of theta. So we have to differentiate x with respect to theta and y with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is equal to, a is a constant, differentiation of cos theta is a minus sin theta, and dy by d theta is equal to a into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. We need to find dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta value is a cos theta and dx by d theta value is minus a sin theta. A getting cancelled, that is equal to minus cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Therefore dy by dx is a function of theta. Now come to second problem. If x is equal to 2at square, y is equal to t power 4, find dy by dx. Here both x and y are the function of t. Therefore we have to differentiate x with respect to t and y with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to 2a is a constant, 2a into differentiation of t square is 2t. So 2 into 2, 4, 4at. Here a is a constant and differentiate with respect to t, that is, this is in the form of x to the power n, so n into x power n minus 1, so t power 4 is equal to 4 into t to the power 3. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that is 4at cube divided by 4at. 4 getting cancelled, a getting cancelled, t power 3 divided by t is equal to t square. Next one, if x is equal to a cos to the power 5 theta, y is equal to b sin power 5 theta, find dy by dx. Here x and y are the function of theta, therefore we have to differentiate with respect to theta for x and y. So dx by d theta is equal to a into cos to the power 5 theta is 5 into cos to the power 4 theta into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, and differentiation of y with respect to theta is b into sin power 5 theta is 5 into sin power 4 theta into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Therefore dy by dx is equal to b into 5 into sin power 4 theta into cos theta divided by a into 5 into cos to the power 4 theta minus sin theta. Here 5 getting cancelled, 1 cos theta get cancelled, 1 sin theta get cancelled, that is equal to minus b by a into sin cube theta divided by cos cube theta, that is equal to tan cube theta. Next one, if x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta and y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta, we have to prove dy by dx is equal to tan theta and also find the value of dy by dx at theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. Here x and y both are the function of theta, so differentiate x with respect to theta and y with respect to theta first. So dy by dx is equal to a is a constant, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta plus theta into sin theta. Here we have to use a product rule, that is a first function into differentiation of second function and second function into differentiation of first function. Sin theta into differentiation of theta is 1 plus theta into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. That is equal to a into sin theta and minus sin theta and plus sin theta. These two getting cancelled. A into theta into cos theta. Next dy by d theta, differentiate y with respect to theta. A is a constant, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta minus differentiation of theta is 1, theta into cos theta minus theta into differentiation of cos theta is sin theta. So minus into plus is minus, so cos theta and cos theta getting cancelled. A into minus plus theta into sin theta. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta value is a into theta into sin theta. Dx by d theta value is a into theta into cos theta. A getting cancelled, theta getting cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore dy by dx is equal to tan theta is proved. We have to find the value of dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 4. So dy by dx is equal to tan theta, but theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. Tan of 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. Now come to next problem. If x is equal to 1 plus t square divided by 1 minus t square, y is equal to 2t divided by 1 minus t square, find dy by dx in terms of x and y. This is given that we have to find the value of dy by dx. They must be in terms of x and y. Here x and y are the function of t. So differentiate x with respect to t and differentiate y with respect to t. dx by dt is equal to, here we have to use the quotient rule, that is 1 minus t square the whole square. 1 minus t square into differentiation of numerator, that is differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of t square is 2t, minus numerator, that is 1 plus t square, into differentiation of a new denominator, that is the differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of minus t square is minus 2t. In both these terms 2t is common. 2t into 1 minus t square minus into minus plus 1 plus t square. Here t square and t square getting cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 to the 4. 4t divided by 1 minus t square the whole square. So dy by dt is equal to, again same dy by dt, y is equal to 2t divided by 1 minus t square, denominator square, that is 1 minus t square the whole square. Numerator becomes denominator into differentiation of numerator, differentiation of 2t is 2 minus 2t into differentiation of 1 minus t square is minus 2t. Minus into minus 2t is 2 is common in these two terms. 2 into 1 minus t square into t is t square, minus into minus plus 2t square. It is equal to 2 into 1, 2t square minus t square is plus t square divided by 1 minus t square whole square. This is dy by dt. We need to find dy by dx, that is dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that is equal to 2 times of 1 plus t square divided by 1 minus t square whole square divided by 4t divided by 1 minus t square to the whole square. Here 1 minus t square to the whole square getting cancelled, left with the 2 into 1 plus t square divided by 4t. 2 1s are 2 2s are, so 1 plus t square divided by 2t. We know that x is equal to 1 plus t square divided by 1 minus t square, y is equal to 2t divided by 1 minus t square. So divide that 2, that is x by y is equal to 1 plus t square divided by 2t. Therefore dy by dx is in terms of x and y. Next is differentiate x by sin x with respect to sin x. We have to differentiate with respect to sin x, means here v is equal to sin x, u is equal to x by sin x. Differentiate u with respect to v. So du by dv we have to find. For that, first du is a function of x and v is a function of x. So differentiate u with respect to x and differentiate v with respect to x. That is du by dx. Again quotient rule, that is sin square x. Numerator becomes sin x into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into differentiation of sin x is cos x. And dv by dx is differentiation of sin x is cos x. We have to differentiate u with respect to v. Therefore du by dv is equal to this term divided by this. Therefore sin x minus x cos x divided by sin square x whole divided by cos x. Here denominators multiplies, so sin x minus x cos x divided by sin square x into cos x. Next one, if x is equal to square root of a to the power sin inverse t, y is equal to square root of a to the power cos inverse t, show that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Consider x and y, multiply and square on both sides, that is x square into y square is equal to square and square root getting cancelled, a to the power sin inverse t plus into a to the power cos inverse t. We know that x to the power n into x to the power m is equal to x to the power n plus m. This identity we know. Here base is same, we have to add the exponent, that is a power sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. That is, we know sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is equal to pi by 2. So x square into y square is equal to a to the power pi by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. Here we have to use the product rule. So x square into differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx plus y square into differentiation of x square is 2x, that is equal to 0. So we need dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus y square into 2x divided by x square into 2y. X get cancelled, y get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, that is equal to minus y by x. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Next one, if v is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square and v is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, find du by dv. We have to differentiate u with respect to v. For that, first we have to differentiate u with respect to x and v with respect to x. For that, first substitute x is equal to tan theta. So x is equal to tan theta, v becomes tan inverse of 2 into tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. We know the formula, this is tan 2 theta. So tan inverse of tan 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. For u also substitute x is equal to tan theta, cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. So cos inverse of cos 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. So dv by du is equal to 2 and du by d theta is equal to 2 because 2 theta. dv by d theta, 2 is a constant, differentiation of theta is 1 and du by d theta is again same. So du by dv is equal to du by d theta divided by dv by d theta, that is 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Come to next problem. If x is equal to sin cube t divided by square root of cos 2t, y is equal to cos cube t divided by square root of cos 2 theta, cos 2t, find dy by dx. So first we have to find dx by dt and we have to find dy by dt because x and y are the function of t. Dx by dt, here we have to use the quotient rule. This is equal to square root of cos 2t whole square, square and square root get cancelled. Numerator becomes a denominator, that is square root of cos 2t into differentiation of sin cube t is 3 sin square t into differentiation of sin t is cos t minus numerator, that is sin cube t into differentiation of square root of cos 2t is 1 divided by 2 into square root of 2t into differentiation of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into differentiation of 2t is 2. That is equal to square root of cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t minus into minus plus 2 and 2 getting cancelled, sin 2t divided by square root of cos 2t. So taking LCM square root of 2t, so square root of cos 2t into square root of cos 2t is equal to cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t plus sin cube t plus sin 2t divided by cos 2t into square root of cos 2t. Here cos 2t is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square t, because cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is the formula, into 3 sin square t into cos t plus sin cube t into sin 2t is the formula 2 sin t into cos t divided by denominator as it is. Now multiply this to this one. 3 sin square t into cos t into 1 is equal to 3 sin square t into cos t minus 3 2 is 6 sin square t into sin square t sin power 4t into cos t plus sin cube t into sin t is sin to the power 4t plus into cos t. Here in these two, minus 6 sin to the power 4t into cos t plus 2 sin to the power 4t into cos t. This becomes minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4 sin to the power 4t into cos t. 3 sin square t into cos t denominator as it is. In these two, sin square t into cos t is common, left with 3 minus 4 sin square t divided by denominator as it is. This is the value of dx by dt. Now we have to find the value of dy by dt. So dy by dt again same, again we have to use the quotient formula, that is square root of cos 2t whole square root of cos 2t whole square is square and square root get cancelled. So square root of cos 2t into differentiation numerator is 3 cos square t into differentiation of cos t is minus sin t minus numerator, that is cos cube t into differentiation of square root of cos 2t is 1 by 2 into square root of cos 2t into differentiation of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into differentiation of 2t is 2. So 2 getting cancelled, minus into minus becomes plus. Here minus into plus becomes minus. Again take the LCM, that is square root of cos 2t is LCM. Square root of cos 2t into square root of cos 2t becomes cos 2t into 3 times of cos square t into sin t plus cos cube t into sin 2t whole divided by cos 2t into square root of cos 2t. Here cos 2t can be written as 2 times of cos square t minus 1 into cos square t into sin t plus cos cube t sin 2t formula is 2 sin t into cos t. Multiply here, minus 6 cos to the power 4t into sin t plus 3 minus 3 plus 1 is plus, minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3 into cos square t into sin t plus 2 times of cos to the power 4t into sin t. Again minus 6 plus 2, this becomes minus 4 cos to the power 4t into sin t, 3 into cos square t into sin t as it is, and denominator right as it is. What is the common in these two? That is cos square t sin t is common, that is 3 minus 4 cos square t divided by cos 2t into square root of cos 2t. We have to find the value of dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So that is equal to cos square t into sin t into 3 minus 4 cos square t divided by cos 2t square root of cos 2t divided by sin square t into cos t into 3 minus 4 sin square t divided by cos 2t into square root of cos 2t. Cos 2t into square root of cos 2t getting cancelled, left with the 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t divided by 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Because here 1 sin t getting cancelled, 1 cos t getting cancelled, 3 into cos t is 3 cos t minus 4 into cos square t into cos t is cos cube t. Here sin t into 3 is 3 sin t minus 4 sin square t into sin t is 4 sin cube t. Take minus sign outside, 4 into cos cube t minus 3 cos t divided by 3 sin t minus 4 sin t minus, that is equal to minus cos 3t. This is the formula of cos 3t. This is the formula of sin 3t. Minus cos 3t divided by sin 3t, that is equal to minus cos by sin is cot 3t.